It's not even a bass. What is he playing? He's got an electric guitar and a fiddle. Fiddle, very cool. Here, this is that fountain I was talking about, chat. Everybody's just chilling. Yeah, chat, this is where we'll have some tattoo days here for sure. Tattoo. Oh yeah, so I'm working on a show where I get. I've been working on it for a long time, but I'm trying to pick it up again. Where I meet strangers and I get matching tattoos with them, and I feel like we might do it live on stream as well as have somebody film it. Because I mean, I had somebody film it once and they kind of ghosted me on the edit. Look, another dog, chat. Oh, cutie. Yeah, I've done it. I've done it like 6 times. That's why I said, screw it. Why don't I just film it? Hell yeah, Dark. We'll do it 100%. More doggos, chat. We'll definitely do it, Dark. I'm down. There's the World Trade Center. So you were there, Stephen. Doggos, exactly. Oh, I haven't made the command yet, but if I had today, chat. Cats are cool. What's up, fine, cool? You don't know if you'd want one? I know plenty of people like that. I'm trying to convince one of my friends who's never had a tattoo to get one. Right now, we just walked back from Washington Square Park. I'll give you a little view of it real quick. So we just walked by Washington Square Park real quick, walked through. Now we're gonna walk through the village a little bit. I wanted to go this way. What's up, fine, cool? How's your day? How you doing? So now we're just walking through the village a little bit. And I'm trying to tell you cool stuff. I'm doing well, fine, cool. You know, I've been going through the range of emotions. I'm going through the range of emotions this stream. Why do I hate banana? You know what? I've just always hated bananas. I don't know why. The taste, the texture, the smell. The smell is what gets me more than anything. The smell just repulses me. But it's been good. I've been going through the full range of streaming emotions, and now we're kind of hitting our stride again, having fun, so it's good. Dark wants to get one more to make sure it has meaning. I feel like a lot of people start that way, and then you get to a point where you just like get a tattoo because you're bored and you want a tattoo, or you want a tattoo instead of having therapy. One of the two. But yeah. Oh, a koi fish. I think I'd like a koi fish at some point. I could do a koi. I mean, some of my tattoos are jokes. Like I've got a hentai tattoo that I've shown chat before. I've got little hearts. I got a little heart with a couple of friends. Exactly, guys. What are the matching tattoos? All right, I've got a heart that's matching with 2 people. Those are friends. I've got my hentai tattoo also matches 2 people that are also friends. I've got a Perone on my arm matching two strangers. I've got a shot glass on my arm matching two strangers. I've got a dead bird on my arm matching a stranger I met in the park. I've got the I'm like going sort of backwards this way. I've got a see dead bird. I've got a dragonfly on my arm matching a stranger. And then the first one I ever got was the chartreuse logo, and that's also on my left arm. And that's matching somebody who I actually still know now, but she was a stranger. I was my birthday 2020. I walked into a bar wasted and screamed, "It's my birthday!" And who's getting a tattoo with me? And I convinced somebody to get a tattoo with me. Yeah, I love dinosaurs. I'm down. I'll get a dinosaur tattoo. I think, chat, I'm gonna leave. I've sort of been thinking about what I'm gonna get on my back, and I love this city, and I love Tokyo and Japan. So I think I'm gonna get a crow and a pigeon on my back. And I don't know if they'll be fighting or what, but I think I'm gonna get a big crow and a pigeon on my back, just to symbolize these two cities.